Hi, I'm Ian Wiggins, and I'm the lead at the university for setting up the maths testing centre here. So when you arrive for your test, the first thing you'll do, in the queue outside there'll be details of how to start registering. For most students that will be on your own mobile phone. When you come in then, you'll go to one of these desks and you'll get given a barcode. That's really important because it helps the NHS link up your test to your details that you've registered. If for whatever reason your mobile phone's broken, you've lost it, you've forgotten to bring your device, we'll also have devices here that you can use to register instead.
So once we've registered, we're moving down this way.
So you'll then move down this way, and you've got yourself registered, you've got your barcode, and you'll then have to wait here just for a few seconds while we work out which of our bays is free. So we've got 48 swabbing stations around the hall, and we'll be sending people around in batches of 4 to these locations. So we'll assume that the first bay here is free, and you'll get signalled there by the test supervisor, and we'll wander over to this bay. So once you're here, you'll sit yourself down, and if you want to go ahead and try the seat out for size. When we're actually doing testing, what you'll be provided with is instructions for how to swab yourself, and a swab by the testing supervisor, and then a little test tube, which is where you'll leave your swab afterwards. You've got a mirror here, and I'm afraid this is the bit that's slightly uncomfortable, just like any other COVID swab if you've done one before. Back of the throat first, and then up your nose, just to get the proper sample there. And at that point, that's it, you're done. Signal to the test supervisor that you're all set. They'll check that everything's been done properly. And at that point, you flip the card over to say that the station needs cleaning, and you're free to exit through the one-way system all the way around the hall and back out into freedom.